I just built Velo GPT, Google through SMS. For example, I'm about to ask it how much train tickets cost. And boom, there we go. Now I'll tell you how it works in a moment. Because quite frankly, 4 billion people around the world don't even have access to internet, which is kind of crazy to think about. And if I were to plot access on a graph like this, I realized that many people had access to SMS, but no Wi-Fi or data. So the way it works mainly uses Twilio and OpenAI. Firstly, the user sends a message to the phone number, which then the server will receive it and then send that through a LangChain agent. You can think of a LangChain agent as if GPTs had their own superpowers, and in this case, the tool is Google. So it'll search Google, interpret the response, and then send that message back to the user. And this is the actual code of how it works. So over here, Twilio will notify us that the message actually got sent over. And then we will fetch the chat history, and then we will actually initialize the LangChain agent, which is all the way over here. Now the model I'm using for this is a GPT model along with a Serper API, which is the API I'm using that lets you use Google, and then return back the response. If you want to try it out for yourself, just visit this website, velogpt.tech. But after I talked with users, I realized that SMS was actually kind of expensive. While it would actually solve the problem, it wouldn't exactly be financially viable. Now, after doing further research, I realized that that's the exact issue Starlink and Google X's Loon project was facing. They're trying to target people who don't really have that much money. But in the future, I imagine a world where everyone has access to quality internet and education. Peace.